Hi everyone, I'm Jason. In today's video, it's a video request on the Ajax alarm system. Ajax also has a camera system. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to get your cameras on your TV. This will only work with Google TV or an Android TV Google base. If you don't have one, Chromecast, your best option. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how to set it up. Alright, so I do have a Chromecast with me right now, and in this video I'm going to show you how to set up the cameras on the Chromecast. But it's the same steps if you do have Google TV or an Android TV. This is more for the people that do not. If you have an older TV, this is your best option. And this is also a good option if you just want to display your cameras. First things first, let's head over to apps. Once again, if you do have Android base, same steps. Now go down to the search bar. Press OK. Now you got the keyboard. Now let's just type in Ajax. Search. And it's right here. First option. Press OK. Install. This will take a few seconds. Now it's installing. Just gotta wait a few more seconds. And there we go. So now we're gonna hit open. And there you go. So now we have welcome. To log in, open the security system app and scan the QR code in the app settings. Okay, so now we have to open up the app and scan that QR code. So I'm going to open up my app. So here's my Ajax. We're going to hit the menu right here on the top corner. Now we're going to go to the first option, app settings. And now we're going to go to the second option. Right over here, scan QR. Now we're going to scan this QR. And there's your camera. And that's all to it. Look how easy they made it. Ajax is incredible. So if you have more cameras, all your cameras will be displayed right here. So now if I exit out of here, I'm just going to hit the home button on my remote. Okay, now so if I go all the way down to my apps, go to see all. There's my Ajax app. I'm going to just press and hold. So now it gives me the move option. And I'm going to bring it right to the top. So now if I exit out of here, go back to the bottom, and here it is right here. So if you have the doorbell camera, once again, you could see it right here. So now it's my first option. So if I click on it, look how quick that is. It loads instantly. Gives you some options over here, video wall, so you could change it depending on how many cameras you have. You could actually change it. I only have this one camera right now set up. Go to settings. And there you guys have it. That's how easy it is to add your cameras now to your TV or Chromecast. So you got the doorbell camera, somebody rings it. All you have to do is just tap on this app and you can see who's at the front door. Anyhow, that's all I have for you guys today. If you guys have any questions, please give me a comment below. If you like this video, make sure you hit those thumbs up. You want to see more like it, make sure you hit that subscribe button. And like always, thanks for watching and have a great day.